Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. In this video I'll show you how to create slow motion videos with instant slow motion. In the beginning, let's go to camera. Now, from modes, select slow motion. Now, record slow motion video. Now, go to the gallery and tap and hold on the screen for instant slow motion. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.